Tonight I'm reviewing the account of Marcin. Marcin is one of our prospective traders on the FTP program. He joined us October 12, 2020. This is a review of his account, how he started from $15,000 up to level 3, which is $60,000. Okay, looking at Marcins Journey, we can see he started on the 12th of October 2020 with a 0.01% gain. Then he hit an equity drawdown of 4.84%. So Marcin has found his way to get out that drawdown, and he started creeping up to 3.76% till he got to a steady state sometime middle of November, and he made his first 10%, which on the 13th of November. So we can say he made his first 10% within 3 months of joining the program. In between that time, he's ranged and he's fluctuated between 10%, 11%, hit a drawdown 8.56% on the positive note. So basically, Marcin has not actually hit a drawdown. He's actually still in profit. So between November, when he actually got the first 10%, he's actually maintained his drawdown on average of 8.56%, 10% again where he got to level 2 at 8th of January, and now he hit 10% again, just roughly on the end of probably hit 10% on the 29th to the 30th, 29th to the 1st of February. He hit 10%. So basically, he's done 10% 3 times in the space of 4 months, which is very impressive. Let's see how he's done that journey. What helped him get his 10% back to back? I personally feel he's been trading a set amount of pairs, but let's just look at his stats. Looking at his stats, we can see today he's not really traded today. On average, you can see he's made a total profit of $3,884.78. And he's got a monthly gain of 4.68% with an average drawdown of 5.3% and a daily gain of 0.15%, which is very impressive. Now look at his stats as well in terms of what he's traded. He's had 52 trades in total. He's won 50% of those trades, and he's got a total average pip gain of 593.4%. So let's look at the summary of his best trades. So looking at his summary, we can see Marcin has his favorite pairs that are bringing him the consistent gains. Looking at the Canadian dollar yen, the euro CAD, the euro US dollar, the pound Swiss franc, and the pound US dollar. So I can say a common theme observed with most of our traders is they love to trade the pound pairs. And looking at the euro US dollar, we can see Marcin's traded this 4 times, and he's made a total of $548.50. And you can see anytime he's traded this pair, he's never lost. So he's actually been quite successful, where he's traded it 4 times on the long and 3 times on the short, and both times he's been successful. So he's made $829 on the short side and $548 on the long side. Looking at the pound US dollar, his second biggest gainer, where he's made $692.50 on the long side, and he's made $700 on the short side. So he's made $100 respectively on the short and 67.7 on the long. So clearly this has been very beneficial to Marcin, and it's helped him achieve his goal. So what's next for him? How many trades has he got open at present? He's only got 1 trade open at present of 2 lots where he's currently down. But if you look at the average monthly gain he's had over the last 2 months of trading, January 2021 he's maintained 5.09%. February at present he's at 1.7%. And as you can see as well, he's had 57 trades. If we just pull up his history, you can see his gains and you can see his losses as well. As you can see, all the big gains are there, very visible. So you see the pound US dollar, he's traded 1 lot size, 88.4 pips, he's got 884. He's traded the same pair again, 60. He traded the pound Swiss franc, he wasn't really successful on that. And he traded the Australian dollar US dollar as well, it wasn't successful on that. So let's look at his losses in relative to his gains as well. You can see as well, we're looking at his gains right now, going from top to bottom. The biggest gain on the Australian dollar, US dollar, he made 111.3 pips, which gave him 1,113 pips, which is more or less 10% in the bag, just with a few extra pips to play with. And you can see he's had consecutive losses on the US dollar CAD. But at the end of the day, as I always tell people with trading, you can be right or wrong. At the end of the day, it's all about the results. And clearly, we got results here reflecting in the 5.09% gain in January and the 1.7% in February. So looking at all these charts now and statistics, we can see where the success is and where the consistent results are coming from. And looking at the main chart here, we can see right now he's coming down to 16.3%. He's actually down on the market right now. But I'm very confident this trader will go on to hit the six-figure mark very soon, because all he has to do is get 6,000. He's only got another 3,000, just under $3,000 to go on to level 4. So all I can recommend and say to this trader, Marcin, is just keep on doing what you're doing, maintain your money management, just have a trading plan, and always be cautious of cutting your losses early and trying to preserve your lot size and keep it consistent. But I have every confidence you'll go on to manage six figures in the near future, and I look forward to reviewing that account as well. So I wish you all the best, and clearly very well done to achieving 10% back to back on 3 occasions.